Wonderful hangout with my son. Friendly customer service. Area is safe, clean and fun. Today's playdate with baby is a success. The indoor pool was spacious for baby to run around. Main event is the slides-in pool. We had loads of fun today. The indoor water park has multi-slides at different height and levels to cater to different age groups. The park is pretty spacious and has different water features to play and explore. Generally a great place for the kids to play, and mine enjoyed it heaps. Bring 7-year-old girl go, so enjoy. Water not cold, have shelter, feel good not hot, and quite safe for children, and bathroom design quite useful and good, only water a bit slow. We had fun, especially the kid apostrophe s. We haven't leave the place, they are already asking when can we come back here. Awesome place to spend time with family, especially the slide. Superb resource, inside out nature of life. Easy to book. Clear instructions and checking in was easy. Kids had lots of fun. Easy, seamless booking experience. Value for money, with discount. Always choose Kidz for the best tickets booking experience. A decent place for young kids. Shower facilities are available with hot/cold water. A decent place for young kids. Shower facilities are available with hot/cold water. Awesome place to relax and have fun with family. Water is not so cold and manageable for kids. Restrooms are available to take hot shower too. Need to be little careful with tiles floor. Awesome. Fast entry. Will come over with my friends and relatives. Such a nice place for kids. Kids really enjoyed slides. Fuss-free experience to enter the place, and the slides come water splashing down from the bucket is so fun. We had a great time there. Great place for water fun. We had a wonderful time here. Loving the surrounding and facilities available near it. Toilet was clean and spacious too. Overall, our kids love the water playground and will definitely go again. Save time on queuing if purchase the tickets from Kidz. Very convenient. Booked, received voucher in email and redeem at counter. Will book again.